Use this method once a week and your baby's hair will retain length. As you can see, my baby was 7 weeks old the last time you saw her hair, and she's now 7 months old at the time of this recording, and her hair is flourishing. She has retained length. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my baby's full growth routine. Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so to begin with, I like to saturate my baby's hair with warm water first. And then I like to go straight to shampooing her hair. Now mamas, I shampoo my daughter's hair once a week. I also do a midweek conditioner only wash. So on a Wednesday midweek, I will use a conditioner only to co-wash her hair. So once I'm done shampooing her hair, it's now time to condition and detangle. Now this conditioner is what I use midweek as well to co-wash her hair. So mamas, when it comes to detangling my little one's hair, as you know, I like to work in sections, start with my fingers first, and then I use a wide tooth comb. This is going to minimize breakage and help your little one retain length. So once I'm done detangling, I like to allow the conditioner to sit in her hair for some time, just a couple of minutes, while I give her a bath. And then once I'm done, I will rinse that out, and then I'll cover her hair with a microfiber towel, get her changed, and then I will go on to moisturize her hair. So now it's time to moisturize her hair, and also for her hair, as you've seen with my other children, I like to use a layering method. So I apply her leave-in conditioner first, and then I'll apply a butter afterwards, just to help to slow down the evaporation of moisture from her hair, to help her hair retain moisture for a little bit longer. Now, mamas, I only moisturize her hair twice a week. So on wash day and on co-wash days, and that's it. Also, another important thing to note is that I only detangle or comb through my daughter's hair only on wash day. Outside of that, if I need to, I will just use my fingers. So once I'm done with moisturizing her hair, I like to plait her hair loosely. This is going to help with moisture retention. It's also going to help with minimizing or preventing her hair from tangling. Now that her hair texture is changing and she's going through a dryness phase, particularly at the back section, keeping her hair in these loose plaits really helps with this. Mama's wash day with an infant can be quite stressful. But I've got you as always. I want your wash days to be as smooth and successful as possible. So download your free checklist, link below this video. This checklist is going to help wash day with your infant to be a success. Everything you need for a successful wash day is included in this free checklist. Now, just in case you're wondering, at night time, she sleeps on a satin fitted sheet, and that protects her hair, minimizes breakage, reduces frizz, and of course helps with length retention. Mamas, let me know in the comments below, what's your routine for your infant? Is it similar to mine? Anything different? Let me know.